Philipp Plein jacket in for a running repair. The customers found this rip in the seam, so we're going to be working our magic on it shortly, stripping the lining down and then obviously repairing the seam, sorting it out for him. So as we go along, I will post up a after video of it once it's been finished, so you can see what it looks like once it's been done. Luckily it's on the seam, it's not broken down or away to the side, it's all intact, so it will repair very well. It will repair invisibly, so stay tuned and I'll post up the after video shortly. Thank you. Thanks for hanging on there. So all sorted out, all repaired, on the seam, all done, all closed up, all fine. So if you've got any Philipp Plein jackets that might need any repair work, such as this on the seams, or any designer jackets, like, you know, the high-end ones like Balmain and the likes like Balenciaga, we do work on them regularly here, so do not fear, they can be worked on. Even if you've been told no from a repair shop or alteration shop, drop me a DM, drop me an email. It's well worth getting in touch. The amount of times I get work in when people have been told that it can't be done and then I do it for them is, yeah, I can't tell you how many times that happens a week. It's at least 10 times a week. So anyway, drop me an email, drop me a DM. I'm on Instagram as well. You can email me, michael@denimdoctor.co.uk. You can drop me a message via there and I will gladly give you some pointers and some help if you need any repair work doing or alterations to high-end designer clothing such as Philipp Plein, Balmain, Balenciaga and them type of makes. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it informative. If you've got any repair work needs doing, don't hesitate to get in touch and I will gladly give you some pointers and some advice. We've got a shop here in Manchester City Centre where you can come and visit, or alternatively you can use our postal service as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.